Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. I am Naveed Ahmed. Today in this video I will show you how we can create a personal portfolio website like this within 5 minutes. So as you can see that this is our home page, and we will also have a about us page like this, and then we will have a portfolio page, and at the end we will have a contact us page. So to start it, we will go to our dashboard. After going to dashboard, go to appearance and then go to themes. As you can see that at this time we have 2020 theme and our website is looking like this. Go to add theme, and from here we need to search Astra. As you can see that we have Astra theme here, but due to internet issue it's not loading properly. Click here on preview. Now click here on install button. And now click here on activate. After activating the theme, go to Astra and then go to dashboard. And then now go to the starter templates and click here on start building now. Now click here on build with templates and choose the builder with Elementor. And from here go to personal sites and then go to portfolio and CV. You can see that this is the template which we are going to use. Click here on this template. It will take some time to load the content. Now click here on continue and click here on continue button again. Write your name, set it to expert and set it for my client. And now click here on submit and build my website. It will take a few seconds to create your website. So as you can see that our website have been created. Go to your home page and click here to refresh your page. Now you can see that our personal portfolio website have been created. This is our website home page. This is about me section. This is services section. And this is work experience section. We also have about us page, portfolio page and contact page. So this is portfolio page. It's look like this. And this is contact page where clients can contact with you. And this is about us page. So in this way we can create personal portfolio website within 5 minutes. If you like our video, kindly subscribe our channel, share our video with your friends. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video.